In this episode, we are going to show you
how we found some amazing viewpoints
and recruited Mick as Tilly Two Wheels film crew
before we found some scenic landscapes
and discovered that rainy season has arrived.
Are you ready, baby?
ready.
Woohoo! Whoopee!
Yay!
Dad, doing the walk of shame.
After Maddi's dad got busted in Chiang Mai and ended up in some real adventures of his own, we made a quick overnight stop in Pai, a small city buzzing with tourists, where Maddi's dad invited us for dinner.
Is it?
This is the joint. That looks good.
Okay.
We grabbed a tasty dinner, had a few cocktails, fed a few friendly street dogs wandering the streets, and called it a night, ready for what tomorrow had in store. The next morning we were hot, not only because of the boiling sun, but also hot to get back to ride the amazing Mae Hong Son Loop. Although pushing Tilly out in the sun definitely made me hot. Okay, that's enough hot now. We were still figuring out our brand new camera, especially how to manage our signature helmet kisses now.
I know. Yeah. Ready?
But we were ready to hit the road, and so was Maddi's dad.
All good? What? Shakes. It shakes. Oh. Good to go?
Soon enough, we were back on the road, rejoining the Mae Hong Son Loop. We passed viewpoint after viewpoint, one more stunning than the other. But it wasn't long before we stopped at a viewpoint for a proper break. And of course, we had to capture the moment. pretty amazing seeing the Mae Hong Son Loop from above. You probably guessed it, it's definitely worth riding it. But here at this viewpoint, Dad also earned his promotion.
So Dad came up with this really cool idea this morning, and he's like, well, you have a second bike here, why don't I put the cameras on my bike so I can get you like riding? So that's going to be pretty cool. Meet the Tilly Two Wheels production crew.
Forget the Mission Impossible film crew. This is the real deal. On two wheels with Tilly Two Wheels. And Operation Production Team is officially underway. But of course, you always have to wait for the actors. Eventually, we decided to show up and let the filming begin. It was actually quite impressive for ourselves to see us on our heavy loaded bike. We normally don't get that shot. But what an amazing job he did. We grew together as one perfectly working team. We were now more than halfway through the loop, riding through some of the most incredible twisties yet. The night before, Ollie had spotted a detour, a curvy road heading inland, off the main Mae Hong Son Loop. Since we always celebrate detours because they lead to the best adventures and hidden gems, of course, we took it.
Soon we took a left turn and were now on the little detour, and boy was it worth it. We could straight away tell that there was much less traffic and the road felt much more untouched. And you can definitely tell it provided biking fun by just looking at our navigation. The narrow steep roads twisted up into the hills, opening up to breathtaking scenery. we were slowly working our way through the challenging hairpins when we finally reached the top. And we're now riding along on the mountain ridge all alone. The ride down was just as twisty and fun as the way up. Our brakes were clearly getting a little workout. But it didn't take long when we saw the first dark clouds. And the road also showed signs that it has been heavily rained on. There was only one road we could take, and it took us right into the dark clouds. And soon, within minutes, the sky opened up, and we started to get soaked. At least these guys didn't seem to care. But the rain hit a bit too hard, so we had to stop.
Yeah, rainy season's here.
Still getting used to the camera, I asked a way too familiar question.
Is it in? No, it's not.
We decided to call it a day, finding a tiny village with a cozy room for the night. With daylight gone, we wandered through the dark, quiet streets, looking for dinner. Thankfully, one small restaurant was still open, so we sat down and demonstrated our professional filming skills.
Cheers! Bless you.
With the chili. We asked for no spice, but I think we're getting spice.
Sounds like it. Smells like it.
And ordered a few mystery dishes off the menu, since we couldn't read it.
And we're not dying of too much spice.
Almost.
While the fish splashed happily in the water, we went to bed, unaware that the next day would have a surprise in store for us.
Good shot. Thank you.
And this is where this episode ends.
In the next episode, you will see how Maddi's dad missed the exit.
And we got soaking wet again.
Before we experience questionable road conditions.
And Harrison returns in front of the camera.